Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recolor your wig. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so right here I'm just giving you a 360 of what the hair is looking like before. I wasn't satisfied with this color because it had too much variation, light pink pieces in there, and it wasn't exactly purple as I would have liked. I mean, I like the lightness of it, but I think it could have been better. And I'm just going to show you how you can do the same thing with your wig at home, so you don't have to worry about going to a salon or anything. So just giving you a 360 what that's looking like. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my African violet, and this is what it's looking like. Purple rage, and this is, I guess that's where the pink came from. I'm not sure, but I'm using something different. Like the honey brown is giving me a dark blonde hair color, so I decided to put that in the mix. And Mocha, which is like almost appears to be dark brown, and hopefully this will level everything out so it's not like all these different tones, you know what I mean? So I've already put my canvas block head up, and I've put a plastic bag over it so that I won't stain my my canvas block. So right here I'm just doing measurements here, and I'm doing 1 ounce of maybe I think that's the honey brown, and it's kind of like a light brown or a dark blonde, in my opinion, just for me looking at the swatches online. So as you can see, that's 1 ounce right there, because I don't want too much of those. I just want it to kind of like make it where it's like even, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm going in with the Mocha, which appears to be a dark brown in my opinion. So I'm doing 1 ounce of that, as you can see here. Well, I'm sorry, I got it backwards. First it was the Mocha, now that was the honey brown, and apparently I got 1 ounce of each, as you can see there. And this is what the remainder I had for I want to say purple rage. I'm not exactly sure because the bottle's turned in the opposite direction, but yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so moving on to African violet. It appeared to have more of a blue base instead of like a warm, instead of having like a warm base to it, and I'm going to use a lot of that. I had bought like I want to say, I'm trying to see how much I want definitely more of the purple, so that's what you see me doing there. And we're going to mix this up, and we're going to see what we can get. Okay, so the reason why I'm making this video is for, like, if you have a wig, and I would suggest doing the same color or similar, because if you have to bleach it and everything, it's just going to destroy it. And then once it's destroyed, like, what's the purpose? You know what I'm saying? So I'm keeping in the same color family. So this is a reminder of what the hair color looks like. As you can see, it has variations of pink, purple, violet, whatever. Everything's going on. Okay, so off camera, I've shampooed the wig, and that's it. I didn't condition anything, and I'm showing you how to wrap it with a towel. And what I would do is I would wrap this with a towel and leave it wrapped to suck up all that moisture, so you won't be wasting product, for about like 20 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna set that to the side, and we're gonna get ready for our next step. Okay, so our next step is, like I said, I put my plastic bag on my canvas block and make sure I cover the edge, because sometimes it'll drip and come underneath that anyway. So I'm pinning my wig, making sure I have everything secured, because you don't want to have to like comb through the wig and then be pulling on well, basically ripping your lace. Basically, I mean, this is all so you won't rip your lace, to make sure everything is secure, so when you go to apply the color and you start combing it through and whatnot, it doesn't rip your lace. So as you can see, I'm doing the front, the back, and the back of the actual lace closure, because this is a closure wig, and I'm going to have to detangle the hair to make sure I get all the knots and tangles out, so that I can make an even application without having any spots or anything. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the most important part is securing the lace closure portion. As you can see here, I have a shoestring that I've cut to make it easier for me to apply it in the front area, and I'm securing that because when you go to combing and all that stuff through it, you actually, when you put the pin in it, you can actually rip your lace, and that's the last thing you want to do. So this is just a security measure to make sure that I don't rip my lace and that my wig lasts for a very long time. So as you have just seen, I've done the front. Now I'm making sure I do the back of the lace closure because it's just as important as doing the front. So right here I'm just sectioning off the lace closure portion, and I'm going to work with that first because it's a little bit more complicated. Okay, so right here I'm just separating the closure from the actual wig, combing through it to make sure I got like all the tangles out and whatnot. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see, at www.tigrepuppbeauty.com. Tpup is short for Tigrepup to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so after I've got all the tangles out, right here I'm just going to apply the color close to the lace closure as possible without actually touching the lace closure. And I'm taking the comb to kind of like drag it a little further down so it won't have like discoloration at the root, or too close to the root. It's kind of like pulling the color down a little bit more, if that makes any sense. And hopefully you won't touch the lace closure and stain it in the process. So I'm just kind of trying to show you what that's looking like in this video. So this is the best angle that I could possibly come up with. If I think of any more, I'll do other videos explaining what I'm doing here, but just keep watching and hopefully you'll get an idea of what's going on. Okay, so now that I've applied the hair color on the roots of the closure wig, I'm going to apply it throughout the entire wig. So just continue watching. Okay, so one tip that I would suggest doing when you're applying this hair color, I would suggest combing the hair color through each section to make sure you have thorough and even coverage. Okay, so now that I've sufficiently applied the hair color to my knowledge, I'm going to pile the hair on top of the head, and I'm going to sit underneath this hooded dryer for 30 minutes according to Adora instructions. But first I'm going to use this plastic cap to make sure I don't stain my hooded dryer, and I'll be back once I've done that. Okay, so I have this new product that I purchased. I'll be doing a review on this little head thing. It has little slots and everything in it, and it's supposed to help you dry your wig faster. And I'll have to give you a review on that in a later video, but right now I'm just showing you what I'm doing. It comes with 2 straps. At the time of making this video, honestly, I didn't know how to do it. I had to look on the website, not the website, I got this off Amazon. And so yeah, I'm just looking at the little stripes on the wig, on the head, and it comes with the 2 straps here. I'm going to be doing a video, so just keep your eyes open for that. So that's what I use to dry the wig, and we're going to see what the hair looks like after everything's done. Okay, so here's a reminder what the hair looked like before. It has those peak stripes in it, kind of like, didn't like that very well, so I decided to change it, and that created this video for you so you can do the same thing at home. As long as you stay in the same color family, you shouldn't have much of a problem as far as like change the hair color and whatnot. When you start bleaching, that's when the problem begins. Okay, so right here I'm just giving you a 360 of the wig. As you can see, yes, it is a little bit darker. It has more of a purple base to it, which is what I pretty much wanted, because it neutralized that pink and made the hair color more even, in my opinion. I'm very happy with the results, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
Tigrepup beauty. Be a brand new